Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can share a music playlist invite link to start the collaboration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up Apple Music, then tap on Library. Next, tap on Playlist. Next, tap on the playlist that you would like to share the invite link. Now, if you haven't created the collaboration, then you can start to create the collaboration and ask your friend to join. If you already created the collaboration, then you can manage it. So at the top here, you can see this one here has the two people icon. If I tap on it, I can go to the next screen, which allow me to manage the playlist collaboration. So you can see here I can tap on stop to stop the collaboration, or I can share the invite link. So in this video we're focusing on how you can share that invite link. So by tapping on share invite link, then from here you can copy it to the clipboard. You can send a text message with a link to that person. So here it will include the collaboration link or the music invite link. Or what you can do is you can use the QR code. So tap on QR code, and from here you can send the QR code to another person. If your friend is nearby, they can use their phone to scan that QR code. So here you can see I can open up my camera. So let's try it again. And then tap on music. Here you can see the phone will open up the music player and will now have that playlist. So here if I tap on done, you can see here on both my devices have the same playlist with the same songs in the same order. Now once you subscribe to Apple Music, you'll be able to manage the playlist as well. You can reorder the songs in that playlist and you can save it to your own playlist. And that's it. And that is how you can share the music playlist invite link via the QR code through your invite link that you sent to that person. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.